Hi guys, welcome in Advanced Excel program and I'm Sanjay Kumar, your trainer. In last class we learned about table features, controls and formatting, and the most useful feature that we known as concept of recommended pivot tables. And now we will learn about the table slicer. We will learn it how to create slicer and how to control the settings, slicer styles, their arrangement, buttons and its size. So you will be learning all these features that will be helping you sorting and filtering data more efficiently. So let's see how the table slicer works. So to access the slicer, you need to go into Insert tab. I clicked on that, and here you would see in the filters you would see a button called Slicer. To activate Slicer, you have to make sure that you click anywhere in your table, your data, and now click on Slicer. The only thing you have to make sure that you use Slicer only in the table. In last video we learned that how to create tables. So if you use the slicer on a simple data, so it would not work. It would ask for external source. So if I click on here and click on slicer, you would see it would be asking me the connections, external connections. So or either the internal connection or files that we have on the system. So we don't want this. We want a slicer to work on a local Excel spreadsheet. So for doing that, you have to cancel it and make sure that you use a table, Excel table, instead of just a data. You can check my last video where I have explained it how to create a table. So here we have a table, already created a table, and now I'm gonna click on a slicer, and the moment you will click on slicer, it will give you all the fields, all the headers that you have on your data, on your table. That is the employee name, employee ID, these all headers here in the slicer, and you can choose any one of these or all of these as a slicer that will help you filter your data. So I'm gonna select one option, employee name, and click OK. And here you would see, here we got a box which is showing a employee name as a header and all the options, all the filter options that we have in this column, in column A. And if I click on any one of these employee names, just like Jason, so you would see all the data that is pertaining to Jason only. If I click Don, here is Don's data. If I do not want this filter, I will click on clear filter option and I can see the entire data. If later you find that you need two filters, then you have to go back and insert slicer again. You have to make sure that you have clicked anywhere in the table. And now I'm gonna select one more option, country. Okay, you would see one more box here. Now you can use both these options like this. I select Don from employee, and then in country US, you can see the data of US only. Or if I clear the filter, you would see data of all the country for Don. I'm gonna unfilter it. You can also format these boxes. You can click on the slicer boxes and go in options, in slicer style. You can give different formattings, different colors like this. And this was Zazie, yeah. Okay, so you can do the same with this one like this. And here on the left top corner, if you would see a slicer property. So this particular box is pertaining to country, so you can give any other caption if you want. And here is the slicer settings. You will click on it, it will show you a box, allow you to change the name of the header, or you also can remove the header as well if you like. So here are the options. You can give the sorting, filtering sequence either to A to Z or Z to A, just like it is starting with A I K USA or D, that in A to Z format. I can change that in the descending. Click OK, you would see it is changing. So going back, so here are some other options. You can hide item with no data, visual indicated item with no data. Like these options you can use in the slicer that allow you to give more flexibility in using these features. As I already mentioned, that you also can remove these headers if that seems ugly for you for some reason. So you can go back in the slicer settings and uncheck the display headers like that. You can change the caption as well. Instead of employee name, if you can choose employee, that will work for these boxes like this. Another thing that I'd like to show you, that if you click on these boxes, you would see that options tab is activated, where we work with the slicer settings, styles, and here's the arrange as well. So you can also arrange these boxes based on your requirements, just like other objects that you may use in Excel or other Microsoft tools to bring forward or send back, like this. So you can use these options as well. Like if there are more boxes in any report where you want them to arrange in a sequence, you just have to select all the boxes that you would be having on your Excel spreadsheet and go in a line and click on any of these options based on your requirements. So moment you will click, you would see that these boxes are on the same alignment. So you can use these just like other objects that you used we used in other videos as well, at how to use arrange options. And in button and size, so in button and size, if you would see, we have these columns width and height options. So if the options are more than just these 4 options, there are many metrics, then you can increase the columns as well. So if you will click here, you would see that it will compact the number of metrics that we have in employee column. Same here, you can increase it more as you like. That this is depend upon your requirement. You can also change the size of these buttons, height and width, anything you like, like this. We can play with that. And size of these boxes, like we can increase more height or decrease the height. You can remove the unnecessary space to make this box look good, like this. You can also use your mouse to modify the size of boxes, like this. For some reasons, if you would be using more than 1 or 2 boxes, and there will be any priority on that, just like that if employee boxes are coming forward to country, and you want to bring the country box forward to employee, then you have to click on that, go to bring forward, click on bring forward, and you would see like this. So these are options we also used in a previous objects. It is the same, nothing changed into that. You can see my all other videos to learn about that. And if we want select panel to be populated on the right screen, you have to click on this. You would see the selection panel. So I hope this video was informative for you. If you have any questions, so you can put that on in the comment section in this video, and please don't forget to subscribe it. And also if you like it, make some comments. It will motivate me to make some more videos for you. And I hope this course will be helpful for you to be an Excel expert. Thank you, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get update on coming videos in this series. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet again.